Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Stripe payment button. By following these steps properly, you can add a button to your website or e-commerce site that allows user to check out through Stripe easily and comfortably. So let's dive in. First thing first, you have to log into your Stripe dashboard. Then on your left, you can find payment option. Click on it. Then you can find payment links among those options. By clicking this, you will redirect to this interface and click on this button, create payment links. Now you can have a view of an example that how it looks like when you add the link on your website or the e-commerce store. Let's set a product name. You can add a product name from here and add a description for your product. Also you can upload an image of your product. Now you have to enter the amount for your product. After entering the amount, click on add product button. Then you will see on your right side an example will show up here for your review. Now you can add some features on payment page, and also for the after payment there is an option called collect customer addresses. That means you can collect only billing addresses or you can collect billing and shipping addresses too. For this you have to choose a country or your targeted location. From here click on save button. Now you can add some shipping rates. Now head to the other options that require customer to provide a phone number. If you need customer's phone number, then you can select this. Also there are advanced option, add custom fields. This is so important. You can add text, numbers only, or drop downs. Also you can set a limit for this, and also you can mark this as optional. Now from here you can add another field for another niches. Also there is allow promotional codes, allow business customers to provide tax IDs, save payment details for future use, and you can use this drop down pay, book, or donate for your button layout. And now head over to after payment features. You can select or unselect show confirmation page. Also you can replace the default with custom messages. Now the post payment invoice, create an invoice PDF. Stripe charges 0.4% of use transaction total up to maximize of $2 per invoice. This is a paid feature from Stripe. If you want, then you can add this feature on your payment page. This will provide the customer an invoice of their payments. Now after adding all those features, you can click the create link on the top right corner. After click on this create link button, you will get this type of code, and this is the main source code. You can copy this code and paste it anywhere you want to navigate the button in your source code. By this code you can edit text, color, and shape for your button. At the bottom of this page you can see save changes and copy code button. By click on this, the changes will be saved, and according to the changes the code will change automatically by itself. Now you can copy this code and paste it to your source code. There we have it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then give a like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon, and if you need more video like this, then let us know in the comment section. We will get back to you soon. Till then, goodbye.